What's up, and we're back with some more videos. Today we're gonna play some Angry Birds. Now, you guys know I'm not familiar with playing Angry Birds, but I know about Angry Birds tutorial. This has level two rooms. What? That's the tap anywhere to activate Red's ability. Okay. Show me what Red's ability is. The eggs. I didn't notice the eggs though. Like why? I can't believe I didn't notice the eggs, man. Yep. We only got one Angry Bird. Yeah, look, we got the whole team. Chuck, what are you doing? Chuck, you're doing nothing. Chuck, what? You gotta do something, man. Chuck, gotta do something, Chuck. Alright. I'm gonna crack this a little. Alright. Ooh, a key! Ooh, 2 keys. What? Level 5 birds give 5 times a score. Alright. I don't have a level 5 bird. I only got one bird that's on level 1. Oh, I got the perfect plan. We're gonna dive into his mouth, and then we're gonna shoot into the bomb. Yeah, that's the perfect plan. Maybe I should have thought of it. Worst plan ever. Oh, yes! It actually worked. I can't believe my plan worked. So aim at that flower. Wanting to go, my birdie. Right. Knock it. Yep. They get wrecked. Those piggies got wrecked badly, man. I can't, Mommy. Oh, wait, a keys. Let me get this key. Bird key found. I already found that key. I was on level 1. I found the key. At least any bird. Any bird. At least. Good choice. Let's practice. He has a deep voice, man. I'm gonna do bomb and then the blues. What? What? How they expect me to do that, man? Alright. Boom, bomb, banana. I'm gonna lock bomb next. It's like good choice. Like what? Okay, I know. Pet teeth. I'm a world bird. Alright. Lock this treasure chest. And what do we got? Oh, forgot. Ooh, gems. Give me some of those gems. Give me some of those gems. Need 4 stars. I'm gonna go back. Towns must be the best choice. Yes, I know, okay. I don't have 2 birdies. I come and get bomb. Be like a lock any bird. Alright. Wait, how come he's on level 2? I'm gonna lose this level 1 bird. And then we're gonna lock this down. Alright, that was an excellent. Should I use a level 1 bird? Use level 1 bird. I want them to be together. And you're not doing anything, Terrence. If Terrence, you don't want to do anything. Go. All right. How long does it take to get to the next key? Really? It takes that long. Just to get a key for the blue bird. Really? You can't be serious. Great. Guess I'll just stick to this. They're lucky. There's 3 keys that are still on this level, man. Ooh. Okay. This looks like a Terrence job. I think you guys look a little cold. All right, yeah, that's a bad pun. Yeah, I know. They weren't even cold. I know. No, it was a bad pun. It's a bad pun. Yeah. Loves. Oh. I hope you like the power of flowers. Actually, they don't get any flowers, so that was also a terrible joke. That was also a terrible joke. I don't know why I'm making. No, that was a pun, not a joke. That was a pun, man. Makes puns. Bird key found. Yay! That means we get a locked bomb. I don't know why they named this blue bomb. They named this blue bomb for some reason. Like, what? It shall be gone. Release. Good choice. Let's practice. I'm gonna make him do it in a deep voice. Oh. Break me the Pokepuffs. Bring it. I know. Wait. Is that why he's called Bomb? Is it because he's about to explode? Okay. What kind of bird explodes, man? What? My bad. But what kind of bird explodes? Well, like birds can't explode. This is just Angry Birds, actually. You found a rare trash. Yes, I shall open it. I really gotta watch a video. Oh, this is Angry Birds Friends, I think. Oh, bad. How's he doing so much damage to them? He's just going to the top, and they're just going to the top and they're doing so much damage. Oofy. Now aim for that virgin. Ooh, angry. Yeah, I knew Angry Birds Friends. Okay. Let me get this. Ooh, wait, what? Should I continue? Yeah, I'm gonna continue for bomb feathers. Yes. I'm done. Wait, what? It was Terrence's feathers. I thought it was Red's. Well, yeah, at least you're fine. Yeah. Dang, I only have three birds. I know. Wee. I actually expected more. I thought it was gonna work. There's me the Pokepuff. Well, that's gonna be a long time. I'm gonna get those eggs though. But like, come on. If we don't get those eggs, hey, like seriously, we gotta get those eggs, man. I'm gonna try a bomb. It looks perfect for this. Because he's a bomb. Bombs away! Boom. Like bombs away. I think I should use red. I'm gonna use Terrence, right? Terrence the boss. Bark. Dang. Okay, we have Terrence back. Yay! Terrence with us. At least he didn't like fall down like Red did. Like just fell down and then we never seen him again. It was only Terrence. It actually felt so bad for Red. Oh, do we get to open the chest? Thank you. I'm gonna choose the middle card. Ooh, I want to do that. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. I couldn't got that much feathers, but no. Okay, well, I actually feel so bad. I actually feel so stupid for like wasting all my gems on two feathers. Like for 10 to I couldn't got that 7,000 feathers. Man, so I feel so stupid. Ugh, should got shocked. Shouldn't got shocked, but that's okay. Since bomb is great for breaking the what is this? This stone? We're gonna use him. Do piggy. Can this piggy die? Yay! Die, piggy. Yes, you'll be here, right? No. This boss is tough. Be smart. Yes, I'll be smart. Just kidding. Use red with this power of angriness. Attack! Oh, well, we got a birdie back. I don't think he's okay. But we're doing this in the rain. Where did he even get those from? Where is other E first of all? What? Where did those at? Where did he come from? Where did that dude come from? All right, we're gonna end this video when we get to 15. Okay. I'm not meaning for that like 2 stars thing. I mean like when we buy the other key. Yeah, the one I'm tapping. Ooh. Are you insulting me? This dude is insulting me. Well, actually, they're all. Oh, they all do that? Alright, there's a key right there. We got 2 keys. That's 2 keys. I guess we won't let us go there. Alright. Ooh. Alright, got it. Well, an exclamation mark. I'm gonna go see what it wants. Unlock my birdies. I feel so bad for my birdies. Alright. What do they even want? What do they want? What do they want? Do they want me to go to the bird party? The bird Halloween party? There's nothing wrong. Oh. Obviously, our name is going to be Ramon. Oops. Oh. Okay. No. Not. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Games. It's kind of. Yeah, your name's gonna be dark. They will have to in 23 hours. Really? What? Alright, let's see what's in here. Yes, we should claim this. We could have got the good stuff, man. We could have got the 12,000 feathers, man. We could have got those good stuff, but man. Let me see. I'm gonna give you something. This looks cool. Yeah, you do that. Halloween. Alright, Terrence. What shall we give Terrence? Mm. Yes, Chance, you shall be Santa Claus. Yes, you're Santa Claus. We have Santa Claus. Yeah, Mom's party, man. Got a party with Mom. Party. No, what it would be better if we gave him a stack of books on him. Yeah, go back to school, Bomb. Back to school. Yes. You have a book stack now. There's a stack of books on Bomb. Like, yeah. I'm sure he's fine, man. No, he's not. He's not fine. It's books on a bomb. I like the books are going to get destroyed. Oh, it going to big poppy to instantly filled the what? The destroy. Oh, I don't know what that is. Alright, I'm gonna try to get them too. Alright, got them. Got them in one KO, man. It's been really great if I had the bruise, man. That's why I'm locking them with the next key, man. Not like my favorite birds. Santa Claus. We have Santa Claus on our team, guys. So ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Hey. I thought I was gonna do it randomly, man. But I shouldn't have known though. I actually shouldn't have known. Okay. This looks like a job for a bomb, actually. I don't know why. Bomb. I was about to say it looks like a job for talent, man. But actually it doesn't. So yeah, it kind of looks more like bombs thing. This looks more like red. Because he's like the weakest thing I got. Come on, fall. I feel bad. Now we gotta lose one of our birds. We only have to be left with 2 birds. No, we'd be left with 1 bird. We only be left with the bomb with books on it. Yes, 1 apple for our baby. 1 apple for our baby bird, please. Thank you very much. I would like that. Yes. I really like you having like an apple for a baby bird. Got your baby bird got to eat, guys. Like, why wouldn't you feed your baby bird? It's a baby bird. I should let it feed itself. No, it's a baby bird. Babies can't feed itself, first of all. Wish I got that juicy apple for my baby. Just got a chance. I got the chance to give myself my baby bird an apple. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We can give them the apple. Never mind. I don't have to feel guilty because I got 2 apples. All right. Where's the next boss? Nah. X. We're getting close. All right. Last level, and then we get to open the chest. Yeah. Angry Birds 2 really changed a lot. Like at first they thought when people played this, it was like each key you get is it's in order. Like first is red, which the bird you already have, and then it's the blue sand chuck, and then oh my god! I thought I was trying to plan Yeah, no. At least I know why now. I know why they make this red on them birds. All right, if you just disappear, wait for you to disappear. Yeah, are you serious? Serious? No. Die. Slow down. Go. Ah! Right. What? Yay. No. Wait, what? Oh, this is the second level? Alright. Yes, sir. We were lucky, guys. We just got lucky. I'm pretty sure we just got lucky, man. Alright. It's party time. Or not. What is that anyway? What was that? Tower of Fortune is not unlocked. What the Tower of Fortune? What's the Tower of Fortune? Eyeballs? Spiders? I don't even know what that is, man. That's alright. Let me use. Ooh. Jackpot. Should I choose what the piggy choose next? With this. I'm gonna choose this again. Boom. We got a spider hat. Yes. I'm gonna see if we can reach it to 10. Alright, we're. Alright. Try this. Alright, we're good. Oh, baddie. You gotta have this. Can I make it to 15 though? Wait. I don't know if I can make it. Oh. Alright. Boom. I'm gonna go with this. No! No, I gotta watch a video. I'm gonna watch it. Oh no, the piggy stole your loot. No, it didn't. It didn't steal my loot. I mean, I'm sure I'm fine. Oh no, the piggy has stole your loot. Ow. That piggy ain't stealing my loot today. Like, the more levels you get, the harder I think it gets on the Tower of Fortune. I think it'll be a bull, big pot. This is what my grandma plays, man. This actually sounds boring. Sounds boring. Boring. Ooh. Wow. Yes, a birthday hat. Man, I'm gonna move my stuff. I wonder who that birthday hat goes to, man. Before germs. Santa Claus, you're now on 6. You're now 6. Santa Claus is 6. Right, who has a spider? You have a spider? I don't even know what Chuck's wearing. Yes, 2 apples for our baby, thank you. Red. Would you have a birthday hat then? It's my birthday. Yes, you have cake on your head now. Feathers must be reds, or not. Can we try again? I wish I got it. No. Something on this side. Oh god. So bad. You're bad. Oh, Santa's 7 now. Santa, you're 7. That's why I'm 9. I'm gonna be 4 forever. See, 4 forever. I'm gonna be 4 forever. I'll never be 5. So I'll be 4 forever. What? What? Alright, we got a boss battle, guys. No. Chuck will really be great right now. But still, I don't know. It's between Chuck, Matilda, and the Blues. Like, which one do I choose? Maybe I should choose Bomb for the. Oh no, we got Santa Claus. Santa, ho ho ho. You know, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Santa. Alright. Guess what? Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. What? Alright. Sorry. Alright, Red. It's time to finish it like the boss. Since you're the boss of the birds, and well, you're the leader of the birds, it's time to end this. Well, yeah, you're with the bomb. Oh, they both disappear at the same time because I didn't even have to use a bomb once. Will it be just those two or something? What? The king pig? Wow, they really want to do this. They really.
You want to bake fish or fry?
I don't know. Wait, egg, fish, or fries?
Bake or fry?
I like them baked, I guess.
You want a baked piece of fish?
Yes.
You want broccoli and cheese or French fries?
French fries. It's great to have you, Popping Pigs and Angry Birds too. We would love to hear your feedback. No, it needs work. Yes, it needs work. Alright, let's see what the ragging is. I don't see any ragging. I don't see any. Why do I even have that exclamation mark if there's nothing ragging, man? I don't see nothing bad. What do you do? You're happy that you got eggs. But they must be healing the other two pigs that I just killed. What? I don't want to waste my little duckies. It must be a lesson there. If this is a tutorial, how can you might lose the duck? In many YouTube videos, I see that when you do this, you lose the duck. Like, you use the duck and you only have 2 ducks left. Like, what? Like, what kind of... What? The ducks aren't really helpful once in the other levels. They aren't really helpful. They actually suck. The golden ducks actually suck in most of these levels. Look. I'll show you. Alright, so it got it. The ducks were just lucky. The ducks were just lucky, guys. Oh, look, the ducks were just lucky. Yeah, don't blame me. The ducks were just lucky. Why are all the good stuff? Ooh, a blizzard special, man. What's a blizzard? Is it gonna freeze something? Like, alright, it must be a freeze attack. It's like a freeze. Okay. See. Ooh. It'd actually be great if I had the blues. It did nothing. There go cupcake. What's that? Where did your hat go? Time to die. Yay! Smiley and the cupcake. Right. Gulp. Wait, how? How would you the flower. Hit it and then like bomb. You have to hold it. Like you have to hold it. I'm sure bomb can't explode if it has books on it. So, like that's what it has right now. I put the books on it. So, okay. Shit, you can't blame me for putting books on a bomb. Like, I mean, like that is the best thing ever. Like what would you do with a bomb besides putting it by something by like something that you don't like and they don't know about it and then it explodes and then you kill a person and you're happy about it. What is more something that is better than doing that? Putting books on a bomb. You were correct. Oh snap. And then now that there's only one pair, I don't really have to use any of these extra things. So. Birdie? I'm not a bird. Alright. Looks more like a tan. Let's see. Ball! Buck! What? Oh, they actually give us the duck. Duck is gone. It's raining ducks. Hallelujah! It's raining ducks. Wait, it just ate a duck? It ate a golden duck. Why? Why would he eat that golden duck, man? The flower's so evil. The flower must eat everything that comes in his mouth. Must eat everything. Alright, we're getting close. We're getting close to the key. I just gotta be level 14 and then we're key free. If I'll choose I'll actually choose the blues. I mean, like, they're not really that bad. Oh, that was worthless. Okay, so if we could go destroy it, we could go up, destroy them, go it, boop, there. No, if this plan will work. Would it? Come on, Terrence, you gotta go in. Well, actually, a piggy goes. Yeah, I actually feel bad for bomb. I don't know why I don't want to leave bomb away, man. I don't want to leave bomb. Release any bird. It's gonna be like a difficult choice. Wait, what the? Why is it like one last card? Can I release the card so I can see what's inside? No. Well, I was just want to leave for Matilda. Good choice. Okay, this is the girl. Good choice. Let's practice. What you gonna? What kind of ability does she have? Oh, what if she has ability to eat? What? Oh, maybe she like goes up, down, and then just eats everything. Hey, right. Wait, what? Why in the world would they do that, man? Oh yeah, because of my protection. Wait, what? Did it seriously just shoot an egg out of its butt? Did that bird just literally shoot an egg out of its butt? What? What kind of bird? What kind of bird does that? What? Why would that bird do that? That is actually disgusting, girl birds. What? Why is her face like that? Wait, that's all your 100 feathers. So that's what you get. 9 minutes. Okay. Here you got those bombs. Got 5 apples. Now what should I call this? Boss level. Minion pigs. Help me. I'm gonna help. Minion pigs. Help me. Alright. Stop saying that. Eggs? I don't have your eggs. Go away. You do. I see them. Eggs? I don't have your eggs. Go away. Why you said that, man? Oh no, the birds are here. Minion pigs. Help me. No. The minion pigs may try to protect you. But they will die trying to protect you. For real. Literally. Luckily, I brought Matilda. Actually, so bad. The egg. I thought it was actually called Matilda's egg. Looks like Matilda's a little dizzy. But attack, Matilda! Wow, that was actually pretty smart. I waited. Guys. I seen somebody lose against this before. Like on this level, what I'm doing right now. Because I didn't know what to do. Didn't know how to like destroy it to finish that pig off. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna drop an egg on you. Then do that. Egg has been dropped. Hey, Matilda, you got crushed, Matilda. Matilda, I don't think Matilda's actually fine. Yes, that's what you get. Where are our teeth? You got jagged teeth down here. I'm gonna do silver last. If that what? I thought I destroyed that, man. Well, I guess they're gonna keep getting repaired. I guess like every time you destroy them, guys, they end up coming back. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna end this video, guys. So bye.